If you cannot find peace within yourself, you will never find it anywhere else. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about cultivating inner peace and living with a calmer mind. Enjoy. Understanding inner peace begins with recognizing what it is and what it isn't. Inner peace is not a state of passivity or detachment from the world. Rather, it's a state of calmness and contentment that exists despite external circumstances. It's the ability to remain balanced and centered, even in the midst of life's inevitable ups and downs. Inner peace is not about avoiding challenges, but about facing them with a calm mind and a steady heart. It's a sense of serenity that comes from within, not from external factors. This tranquility is not a permanent state, but a moment-to-moment experience that can be cultivated and nurtured. Achieving inner peace involves self-awareness, acceptance, and the ability to manage thoughts and emotions. It's about understanding your inner world and learning to navigate it with grace and ease. When you cultivate inner peace, you're not just improving your own life, but also positively impacting those around you. Inner peace is a journey, not a destination, and each step on this journey enriches your life in profound ways. The role of mindfulness in achieving inner calm cannot be overstated. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It's about observing your inner and outer world with curiosity and openness. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your thought patterns, particularly those that may disrupt your inner peace. This awareness allows you to detach from negative thoughts and emotions, viewing them as passing events in your mind, rather than defining aspects of your identity. Mindfulness also involves being present in the now, not lost in regrets about the past or worries about the future. This present moment awareness brings a sense of calm, as you realize that most of your stress is rooted in thoughts about the past or future. By cultivating mindfulness, you develop the ability to respond to life's challenges with equanimity rather than reacting impulsively. Regular mindfulness practice through meditation or mindful activities can be a powerful tool in your journey towards sustained inner peace. Managing negative thoughts and emotions effectively is crucial in cultivating inner peace. Often, it's not the external events, but our reaction to them that disturbs our peace of mind. Start by recognizing and acknowledging your negative thoughts and emotions. Ignoring or suppressing them only gives them more power. Instead, face them with acceptance and curiosity. Ask yourself what these thoughts and emotions are trying to tell you. Often they are rooted in deeper fears or unmet needs. Once you understand their origin, you can start to address these underlying issues. Practice reframing negative thoughts. Instead of telling yourself, "I can't handle this," try, "This is challenging, but I can work through it." Mindfulness can also help you detach from these thoughts and emotions, allowing you to observe them without getting caught up in them. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You have the power to choose which ones to focus on. By managing your internal dialogue and emotional responses, you can maintain a state of inner calm, even in challenging situations. The importance of self-compassion in nurturing inner peace is often underestimated. Being kind to yourself, especially in times of stress or failure, is essential for maintaining a peaceful mind. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness, concern, and support you'd offer a good friend. When you make a mistake or face a challenge, avoid harsh self-criticism. Instead, acknowledge your feelings, understand that everyone has tough times, and remind yourself that you're doing the best you can. Practice self-care routines that nurture your mind, body, and spirit. This could be anything from taking a relaxing bath, engaging in a hobby you love, or simply allowing yourself some quiet time. Caring for yourself isn't selfish. It's essential for maintaining your well-being and inner peace. When you're compassionate towards yourself, you're in a better position to extend that compassion to others, creating a more peaceful and loving environment around you. Creating a personal routine for daily peace practice is key to cultivating and maintaining inner peace. Start by setting aside specific times each day for activities that promote calmness and balance. This could include meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle yoga. These practices help center your mind, relax your body, and reduce stress. Incorporate moments of mindfulness throughout your day. Take short breaks to simply breathe and be present, whether it's during your morning coffee, a walk at lunch, or before you go to bed. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. It might be reading, listening to music, or spending time in nature. The key is consistency and making your peace practice a priority. As you build these habits, they become a natural part of your life, helping you to maintain a state of inner calm regardless of external circumstances. Your peace practice is unique to you. What works for someone else might not work for you. Find what resonates with you and make it a part of your daily routine. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.